Hello traders, before we get started, you can download a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in by using the link in the description below. So in this video, I am reviewing the Luna AI Pro EA for MT4 and MT5. And right away, it is worth noting that this expert advisor supports both MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5, which gives traders flexibility regardless of their preferred platform. So starting here on the MQL5 Marketplace page, we can see the EA is developed by Profalgo Limited and is currently listed at a promotional price of $399 with rental options available for 1 month at $150, 3 months at $199 and a year at $299. The current version is 1.5, updated on May 2nd, 2026. According to the product description, Luna AI Pro EA is presented as a night scalper that was developed using years of experience with a mean reversion approach. The developer highlights several recommended currency pairs, including Euro AUD, GBP CHF, GBP AUD, AUD USD, and AUD CAD, along with a list of secondary pairs that can also be used. Now, one of the first features that stands out is the OneChartSetup functionality. Instead of attaching the EA to multiple charts, the developer states that all supported pairs can be managed from a single chart. For live trading and portfolio style management, that can make setup much simpler. As I scroll through the features section, the EA also includes an individual performance monitor. According to the description, each currency pair can have its risk adjusted automatically depending on its recent performance. The product page also mentions a correlation filter designed to reduce excessive exposure to related currencies, along with news, swap, and rollover filters that aim to avoid specific trading conditions. Another point emphasized by the developer is that the EA does not use martingale grid systems or trades with very wide stop losses. The focus is described as strict trade and risk management combined with portfolio-based operation. Now, for traders planning to run the EA live, the recommended setup is an Euro USD M5 chart with OneChartSetup enabled. The marketplace page also notes that specific URLs must be added to the platform settings for certain functions to operate correctly. Okay, so now let us just move into the backtesting section. The developer provides separate testing recommendations for MT4 and MT5. For MT5, testing is performed on Euro USD with the OneChartSetup enabled, allowing multiple pairs to be simulated together. The description specifically recommends using at least 1 minute OHLC quality for testing. Then for MT4, testing is performed individually on each optimized pair using every tick modeling. All right. As I review the provided backtest results here, the primary focus is observing how the EA managed its portfolio of pairs, how trades were distributed across the testing period, and how the filtering mechanisms may have influenced trade activity. But from what we can see here, total net profit was over $749,000. Total trades taken were 4,148, out of which 3,818 were profitable, giving us a 92.04% win rate. So this shows a $500 to 750, actually $749,237 in about 3 years, maximum 22% drawdown. All right, then this shows live trading, higher risk, and all of that. Let's head over to our strategy tester. Let's see how this EA performed in 2026. So we're testing the Luna AI Pro EA on Euro USD on the M5 time frame as recommended. All right, and we're testing from the beginning of this year, 1st January 2026 till date. As for the delays, we're using the last ping to the server and we're using the every tick modeling. Looking at the backtested results, we can see that from an initial deposit of $100,000, the total net profit made was $15.15, and the total trades taken were 99, out of which 82 were profitable, giving us an 82.83% win rate. The largest profit was just 87 cents, but the largest loss was $4.09. The average profit was 40 cents, average loss $1.04. So this shows me that the risk to reward ratio is very bad. It's very bad. Despite the high win rate, the bad risk to reward ratio, would have really impacted the gross loss, because we can see that out of gross profit of 32.89, you can see the gross loss was negative 17.74, leaving a net profit of just $15.15. Meanwhile, this EA is targeting short-term price movement for us to have the largest profit at just 87 cents, and this is the initial deposit is $100,000, right? So the EA seems to be targeting short-term price movement, as you can see on the chart. All right, doesn't seem to be holding trades for a very long time. So as I review this historical chart behavior, the developer's emphasis on risk controls, exposure management, and pair selection appears to be a key part of the overall design. Now, since this is intended to operate across multiple symbols, evaluating longer periods of historical data can provide a broader view evaluating longer periods of historical data can provide a broader view of how the system behaved under different market conditions. Now, I'm still going to recommend running longer term testing yourself as well, so you can get a more comprehensive understanding of how the EA behaves across the varying market environments and broker conditions. When reviewing historical test results, it is important to remember that historical testing performance can vary significantly depending on risk settings, lot size, selection, spread conditions, broker execution, slippage, market volatility, and user optimization. Historical analysis should always be treated as informational rather than predictive. So overall, the Luna AI Pro EA for MT4 and MT5 offers a multi-pair trading framework with portfolio management features, exposure filters, and a simplified one chart setup. As always, thorough testing and careful evaluation will remain essential before considering live deployment. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next review.